how to find manage account settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find manage account settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and then click profile here, and after you click on it, just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, just click settings and privacy. And as you see here, you will find this one, manage account. Just click on it, and here you can manage your account information, and you can control your account. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.